Welcome, here I've got Motorola Moto G9 Plus and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. By tapping on this button we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's focus on the rear camera or selfie camera settings. At the first place here and here we have the photo size. So when we tap, for example, to the rear camera photo size, we can see that we have access to more settings we can manage, and we can pick the ratio connected with the resolution. So we can pick camera frame, and the resolution here is kind of quality. Now it's 4 and 3 with 16 or 11 megapixels quality. We can change this ratio to 16 and 9, and as you can see here we have quick preview. This is how it changes. 16 and 9 ratio is connected here with 12 and 1 megapixels or 8 and 3 megapixels resolution. And also when we go back to the camera preview, we can see that this is a little bit longer one ratio than 4 and 3. When we go back to these settings and to these settings, we can change the 16 and 9 ratio also to 20 to 9. And also here in the preview you can see that this is how it changes, and this is connected with 9 and 7 megapixels resolution or 6 and 6. So this is how it works here. And also when we go back to the camera preview, we can see that this camera frame is the full screen ratio. And of course, by going again to the settings and to this, we can easily go back to 4 and 3. Also when we go back to the settings and pick the selfie camera photo size, we can see that here we have the same ratios, but this is one difference. This is connected with different resolutions, so we can have lower or higher resolution in every ratio than in the rear camera. And this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.